In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Confluence efficiently. First, open Confluence and log into your workspace. Think of your workspace as the home base for your team's knowledge. Once you're in, take a second to let the interface load fully so all menus and links are available. If you use single sign-on at work, follow your organization's usual login method and you'll land right where your permissions apply. Next, get comfortable with the main navigation menu. This top bar is your compass. Home gives you a personalized view with updates and quick shortcuts. Recent shows the pages and spaces you've opened lately, which is perfect when you're jumping back into work you touched earlier. Spaces lists the collections of pages for different teams or projects. It's a great way to browse by area rather than by individual page. And apps is where you'll see integrations and add-ons your organization uses. So keep that in mind when you need extra functionality. Open the sidebar to move through spaces and page trees. On the left, you'll see the structure of a space, similar to a folder view. Expand and collapse sections to reveal how content is organized. This view helps you understand where a page lives, which makes related content easier to discover. Click parent pages and child pages to browse organized content. Parent pages are the main sections, and child pages sit underneath them to break topics into digestible pieces. When in doubt, move up to a parent page to see the broader context, then drill back down to the specific child page you need. Use the search bar to quickly find pages, files, or people. Start typing keywords, project names, or a teammate's name to surface relevant results. For faster accuracy, refine your search by space or look for labels and authors in the results view. Short, specific terms usually return clearer results than long sentences. If you need to return to something you viewed earlier, open Recent or Your Work. Recent is your activity history at a glance, while your work focuses on what you've interacted with, making it easy to resume editing or reading without hunting through spaces. Finally, star or bookmark important pages for faster access later. Tap the star icon on any key page, and you'll build a personal shortlist of go-to resources. Visit your starred items from the navigation to jump straight into your most used documents. With these basics, you can confidently find, revisit, and organize content in Confluence without losing momentum.